What's up YouTube? This is Vick Almighty. Welcome back to another episode of Shoe Care Academy. For today's project, we're going to be cleaning up the Adidas Jellyfish. As you can see, this shoe all around is sitting pretty trash. Gunk all over both sneakers, dirt, grime, mud, some sort of green substance. I don't know, but all of this stuff's got to come off. If you want to know my opinion on this shoe, it's actually pretty sick. It kind of reminds me of the old school Balenciaga Triple S. The only difference is this shoe is a lot lighter. The only concern I do have is putting the shoe in the washing machine, considering how bulky they are, but we'll get there when we get there. Next step is setting up our cleaning station. Let's get to it. Now for before and after purposes, I'm gonna put the left shoe to the side and just focus on the right. To do this cleaning correctly, I'm gonna take out the shoelace and insole and clean those up separately. What's on these shoes, man? Now the first step in this process is prep work. So you can see all around the toe box, the cage area, and on the sides, there's a lot of gunk sitting on there. The last thing I want to do is grab a brush with water and solution and push that stuff deeper into the sneaker, or smear it all around and making the white mesh worse. So the best thing you can do with any cleaning is take care of it with some dry brushing. I'm gonna grab our soft bristle brush without any water or solution and simply dry brush the sneaker until all that gunk is fully off. God damn, there's something on those shoes. I'm dry brushing the sneaker, I feel stuff in the air, it makes you sneeze again. Yeah, I can feel it again. Punk ass Arthur, now I gotta wear a mask just to clean up a sneaker. I'm now sneezing for a third time. All right. Got the majority of the gunk off the sneaker. Before I take this mask off, I'm gonna go outside and brush this off. This shit is dangerous. Most of the time, I don't recommend putting on a mask for cleaning a pair of shoes, but gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Sneaker, overall, is looking a lot better. Some of that gunk is still trapped inside the cage area on the side. All of that will get fully flushed out once you do the pre-treatment process and put them in the washing machine. Next step is to grab our shoe tree. That's gonna help keep the form of the shoe during the washing and drying process. Prep work's fully out the way. Next, we're gonna grab our 4-ounce bottle of solution, squirt 2 squirts inside our bowl of water. 2 squirts is all you need. Then, you're gonna wanna grab the soft bristle brush, dunk it in the water and solution, and hit the entire upper inside and out until it's looking good. So you can see, the shoe does contain some white mesh on the toe box area and on the sides. It's looking a lot cleaner now after we did the dry brushing. However, a lot of the times, it's really hard to get this white mesh back to its original white clean state. The best way to do so is by putting them in the washing machine so the washing machine can fully flush all that stuff out. A lot of people say don't put your sneakers in the washing machine. They don't know what they're talking about. A shoe like this is 100% safe. There's white mesh. Nothing on the sneaker will get damaged. A lot of the running shoes have good quality materials that can hold up in a washing machine. And if you ask me, it's the only way to get your shoe fully cleaned up inside and out. Soft bristle brush is definitely doing its thing. I can see the white mesh looking a lot better. The sneaker is interesting though, specifically on all the rubber areas, such as the cage on both sides. It does kind of get in the way of cleaning the actual upper. All you really gotta do though is really just press the brush inside to get inside all those crevices. Once you pat it down dry, we'll see if we miss anything. All right, I'm feeling good about the soft bristle brush. I'm gonna put this to the side and move on to the next brush. For the medium, I will be doing a lot with this brush. I am gonna scrub the upper one more time just to make sure I got everything all around. While I'm at it, I am gonna take care of the midsole, make sure that's looking perfect, and then finish it off by cleaning up this insole so I don't have to go back with the medium bristle brush. For the most part, the upper is looking great. With the medium bristle brush, it has slightly stiffer bristles than the soft bristle brush, but not too harsh where it's gonna damage the uppers. Now the washing machine will take care of the rest as far as flushing out whatever grime and dirt is still trapped inside the mesh. Moving on from the shoe for just a second, I'm gonna grab the insole and give this a quick scrub as well. Before we move on to the stiff bristle brush, I do want to call out the sneaker is 100% safe to clean up. Whether you're just cleaning it up with a brush and solution or putting it in the washing machine, this shoe does not contain any delicate materials. If you look closely at the sneaker, it contains leather, mesh, rubber, and that's really about it. If this shoe contained like black suede next to the white mesh, I'd be very concerned. Most of the time, that black suede or any color suede when it's next to white mesh always bleeds over. You don't want to put that shoe in the washing machine, you'll deal with headaches. So before we can finish off the pre-treatment, let's get the slip bristle brush and clean up these outsoles. All right, after about 5 minutes scrubbing the soles, the key to this part is pressure. The more elbow grease you apply, the better results you will get. Now, before we put the shoe inside the washing machine with the insole and lace, we gotta pre-treat the shoelace. Just grab our leftover water and solution, put it inside, let it marinate in the solution. Pre-treatment is fully done. Let's grab our Reshoevn8r laundry bag. This right here is a need if you're gonna put your shoe inside the washing machine. You're gonna wanna put everything inside, lock it in tight. That way everything stays together and doesn't get damaged. Let's wash these. Now the final key to getting this shoe cleaned up with the washing machine is our Reshoevn8r laundry sheets. Let's put everything inside. Regular cycle with cold water is all you need. Got the shoe out of the washing machine. I let them fully dry overnight. Let's check them out. If you look closely at the white mesh, on the sock liner, this back area, toe box, the side panels, basically everything that contains the white mesh is fully cleaned up. That white mesh material is one of the trickiest materials to clean. There's layers to it. Sometimes when those marks get on there, it's really tough to get out. That's why I always say the washing machine is needed for these type of shoes. I'm not trying to say that you won't get the same results without using the washing machine, but you will spend so much more time trying to get this mesh cleaned up. You're gonna need to clean it from the outside, inside, use a compressor, pat it down dry, redo that process until you get it back to white. With our Reshoevn8r Signature Kit, the washing machine takes care of all that. Combining that with the pre-treatment and prep work, you'll get the best results every single time without putting in too much work. Now let's take care of the easy stuff. Let's put the insole inside and lace it up. This product is fully wrapped up. It's safe to say Reshoevn8r really does work. Check out these results. This before and after is pretty crazy. I'm really just focusing on that mesh area. White mesh is one of the trickiest things to clean up. This right shoe right here feels basically perfect. Another thing to call out on the before, specifically on the rubber stripes all around both sides of the shoe, there was a lot of gunk trapped inside those areas. If you're cleaning up this shoe and it looks like this, spend some time with the brush, get deep in there. All of that stuff's gotta come out in order to get results like this. You can find all the products, including our Reshoevn8r Signature Kit at Reshoevn8r.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Vick Almighty. Hope you guys have a good one. See you guys.